Welcome to another video. Hello, computer device. We're playing Build the Boat for Treasure. Because I'm bored. No, I'm just joking. I'm trying to... Okay, I'm gonna play Build the Boat. I don't know what to do. But we're just gonna play and... The new Easter egg. And also Happy Easter. Yeah. What do you think I'm gonna do? Single books. It's April.
This is my voice. One day into working at an Indian call center. This is my voice. 1 week after working at an Indian call center.
Hello, your computer has virus.
I told you. It's returned.
Okay, so when...
Hello, your computer has virus.
I have one thing to say. 16 words.
Okay, so I don't know what to do.
Hello, your computer has virus. Hello,
Okay.
your computer has virus. Hello, your computer
After 5
has
minutes.
Hello.
You know what? Let's just make our own boat. Give me like 10 minutes. But I need to call my friend. I feel like. Oh, Easter update. Boss fight. I don't know. What do I do? The build a boat for treasure Easter update is here, and it's raining eggs. Solve all eggs. Challenge. Lure around the map where you then be grant access to battle the Egg King. Defeat the Egg King for a special. But how do you defeat it in the first place? Let me search. Guys, I am not cheating, so just give me like 20.
To another video, and in today's video, we are in...
Do not wear earphone. We're gonna hear a scammer kid shouting very loud, so let's see. I don't know if you can hear it.
Inside a Build-A-Boat once again, and today we are going to be doing the boss fight. Illusions Ghost, are you ready? Dude, I am so ready. Not loud in my video, so I'm so sorry to anyone if he was super loud. He might not have been.
Bro, what do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean he's so loud, bro? Did you hear yourself, bro? You chicken in my
No, I'm
road.
just saying, but anyway, make sure you guys drop a like
Bro, I
on the
can't
video.
even. Okay,
Make
I'm
sure you
gonna
guys
give like
subscribe
5.
to the channel and turn on that notification.
Hell,
Dude,
hell no,
I-
this guy's supporting his own channel,
Alright,
nigga.
we're gonna go ahead and
He
just
just
configure
cut
all
like
these
5
eggs
of the
here, and then
part
we
of
should be
he's
good to
saying
go
that.
for the boss fight. So if you guys have not checked out my last video, it is crazy. I can't believe Chothrill added the egg launcher. I did not think he was going to do that, but here we go. We got
Wait.
the
Oh, so you have to touch one egg. What the hell? Okay. Which
we should be good to go for the boss fight. So if you guys have not checked out my last video, it is crazy. I can't believe
is that
Chothrill
elf?
added the egg.
Oh. What do you mean it's so crazy to add an elf, bro? Just do they guys just like adopt me or something? I don't know. Is that how did he? Bro, what the fuck? How did he did that? Oh, do we have to pray? Wait. Praise. How do you even get the egg, bro? He's just like one that
Launcher. I didn't. All right, here we go. We're gonna
Oh,
go ahead
you have
and configure all these eggs here, and then we should be good to go for the boss fight. So if you guys have not checked out my last video, it is crazy. I can't believe Chothrill added the egg launcher.
Okay.
I did not think he was going to do that, but here we go. We got the boss fight.
bro, how did he get that? He just like stop and done. Okay, guys, we're gonna do another video. We're gonna fight.
Yo, this is crazy, alright? So this is
everything what he says. Okay. Two of his lights are like open, my ones are not.
Hey yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are here inside a Build-A-Boat once again, and today we are going to be doing the boss fight. Illusions Ghost, are you ready?
Dude, I am so ready.
Okay, I really hope you're not loud in my video, so I'm so sorry to anyone if he was super loud. He might not have been, I'm just saying. But anyway, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. We're here with Down a Dude as well. What's up, Dino? Alright, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just configure all these eggs here, and then we should be good to go for the boss fight. So if you guys have not checked out my last video, it is crazy. I can't believe Chotro added the egg launcher.
Okay, he did it again. He just... in mobile, let me search it. Okay, let me just search for...
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Roblox. Today I will show
Do I have to really
Hey
do
yo,
this?
what is going on, guys? Welcome
the same
back
guy.
to another video, and in today's video we are here inside a Build-A-Boat once again, and if he was super loud, he might not have been, I'm just saying. But anyway, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. We're here with Down a Dude as well. What's up, Dino? Alright, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just configure all these eggs here, and then we should be good to go for the boss fight. So if you guys have not checked out my last video, it is crazy. I can't believe Chotro.
Oh, you have to take a different one.
Added the egg launcher.
Do you have to like do it other people or something? Oh my god, this is gonna be... Soldiers, let's go! Oh my god! Brutal. Oh, how did I that RPG go? Stupid. Stupid! We're getting shot by the Vietnam. Sir, we're getting fired by the Vietnam. Bro, I'm flying! Holy moly, we're going to heaven. This video will be titled Me and My Boat Going to Heaven. Ooh, I shouldn't say this shit. Ooh. I feel like one balloon just gets popped. Oh shit. Oh, another balloon. Oh, it's still going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's just 7 bullets. How does this camera move? What am I doing? Hello, Cletus. I will come for you. I'm coming for you, Cletus. I'll kiss you. Posting all day, every day for 21st century. Cash for 17 subs. How many subs can you check? 17. Okay, we're growing fast. We're growing very fast right now. Last video, Outlaster #shayancod got 19 views. That's not my famous video. My famous video, the most popular is kids playing in school Roblox. Those are like actually my real actors I had like 2 years ago. So what is that? Oh, these are the Easter eggs. The Easter egg, I see 100 in the mood. We're so high in the sky. How did I even get here? Did I know YouTubers did this? I feel like a famous YouTuber just get my idea and just copy it. And just see, we go in heaven. Oh my god, we found Easter. Yeah, they're gonna be like that. Yeah, if someone tried to copy my video, I don't know, maybe this. I go in heaven and build a boat. How to get one? No, not a single YouTuber did that. Okay, one YouTuber did Lizio Ghost. Test the Grand 2.0 tutorial buildable. But you can make a Tesla workshop. I guess no one has done it, only Leslie goes. But I'm not copying him. I just built this like in a second. No, I'm just joking. I'm just talking like 2 minutes. How am I still going? Oh! How about we're gonna land? Oh. Where are we even? Oh. We're like in blue base. Holy shit. Okay, I think so you didn't hear me in that whole time, but I don't care. I was flying. Let's go up again. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, let's just actually make a real boat. Okay, I finally made a new boat. My stupid cannon doesn't even work. Oh, it actually finally worked. Okay, let's. I'm just watching a scam video. That's so weird. Let's see, soldiers. If we can escape this. Oh, okay. I'm not. Hello, your computer has a virus. You know that. You know that. Hello. Hello, your computer. I'm sorry. Yeah, the scammer is called the police.
Hello, my name is Kyle and I am with the IRS and I think your computer has a virus.
When it first arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was. What is it?
I'm just watching cringy video. Okay.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone.
It's for everyone.
Called Indian Scammer.
How's it going?
India scammer for
When
one.
it first
Hello, your computer has virus. Hello, your computer has virus. Hello, your computer has virus. Hello, your
This is so fucking creepy if you watch like.
computer has virus. Hello, your 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 computer has
Okay, that's so creepy. Oh shit. Okay, we're just gonna. Look at this serious face. Wants to win. Oh yeah, I won like 2 years ago, right? Oh, this. Subscribe and like. That was about me. I spent like 400 gold on this shit. Ooh. I had like. I spent like. I spent $0. This is Ooh. Why you hate me? Why do and the gold who made hate me with YouTube? Why is she video when she put hashtag Ellie Gordon her name? She gets a lot of views, but without her putting her hashtag, she doesn't get that much views. I'm not a hater, but I've been checking his YouTube videos. Oh, she puts it, okay. But she gets low likes. Oh, 10 years, 179. Okay, she get. Okay, it just takes some time for her to get some views and likes. Oh, flamingo! Oh, I thought that was flamingo for a second. Ooh, like the whole 14 minutes is just me being stupid and doesn't even know how to play the fucking game. Me watching Gumball naked in a fire, bro. What the hell is that? Is that kid friendly? I can expose YouTubers. Let's expose one YouTuber if you're bored. Or what happened? my friend. Okay, what happened? I tell you about my friends. They actually have a YouTube channel, but don't subscribe. You can subscribe to them if you want, but dearly my choice. Don't you? You subscribe to this guy. His name was Ryan11TR. The last time he posted is 1 week. Holy moly, bro! He said he'll post. You haven't did a face. Oh, he did. He did a face reveal when he did a TikTok. Open up, it's the police. He didn't give any credit. Holy shit, this guy's copying. In TikTok, oh shit, I don't see this. This video is not available. Did he delete it? Stupid. Okay, let's watch one of his videos. Is kids friendly? So I can't comment in these videos. You have sands in the background music. Bro, I have, hello, your computer has the virus, my man. I have better music than you. You want to see my music? Wait. Okay. My music is more better. You want you guys see?
I told you. It's returned.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Yeah, I have better music. I don't know if you guys can hear that.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Yeah.
Your computer has
I have better music than you guys. I am the best YouTuber with the best music. Went to Africa a week ago. Why haven't I made a song with all the YouTubers title? Band destroy my career, birthday party, hit the box, got a buff city without a taxi. I got 100 players, stupid go stupid, big rejected, $5 for air. The joke that went wrong, Roblox legs. Oh my god, fine. Brakes, helmets, dissector traps, new as I don't know if that's a bad word or anything.
Just split the money. Okay, let's buy
My channel is kids friendly
one of us will have
and not kids friendly. So it's kind of medium. So fine, but your channel is like kids friendly. Oh yeah, this shit. Bro, what the fuck is my? Why am I getting censored? Hey, you censor my videos. I'm sad. Why did you do that? You know why? You keep censor your videos. You know that. That's bad. Before you made kids friendly. Now I own you. Now you get smacked. Yeah, I am bigger than you. What you gonna do, boy? I'm gonna kick you. Oh yeah, I have no legs. Then why you didn't? Oh shit. Then why you didn't tell me? No, I'm sad. But I know a person who can beat you. Oh yeah? Who are you gonna fight me? Scary cat. Scary cat. Scary cat. Did you? Hell no, I'm out. Biscuit. I'm out.
Please let me on. Let me on.
Hell no, I'm out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I should have bought premium. I have to reset. There's nothing I can do now. I have to die.
This
I was
is
too poor to live.
this
Yo, maybe
is
that's how they afford
the
all their
end
employees.
of 20 minutes. 20
Yeah, only if I'm a trainee.
minutes of
Now I'm a trainee. How does it
me
get paid? Zad said you have to pay
dumb
someone for working here. You don't. Question, how much has he paid you so
dumb
far? Nothing. He keeps
funny.
See that new sheriff person? I'm telling him to stop. Look at him just hiding his face in shame.
This
Why
is
is he in the corner? See my
me.
clothes? See my hair?
So subscribe and like, sub and like.
He gave me whispers of
Woo!